Hello one and all. In this video we are discussing the aerobic degradation of cellulose. Aerobic cellulolysis is performed by the three types of enzymatic activities. The enzymes which perform these activities are endoglucanases or 1,4-beta D-glucan, 4-glucanohydrolases, exoglucanases, and beta-glucosidases or beta-D-glucoside glucohydrolases. Endoglucanases attack amorphous regions forming sites for exoglucanases, which then hydrolyze silobiose units from more crystalline regions of the fibers. Finally, beta-glucosidases, by hydrolyzing silobiose, result in the formation of monomeric glucose units. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you.